大家好，欢迎来到苏敏中文。Hi guys, welcome to Mandarin Chinese. Basic Mandarin Chinese grammar is often described as easy, but there's plenty of emphasis on word others. In this video, every learner should get know the 20 Chinese grammar patterns. Then you start building grammatically correct sentences, paving the ways for more advanced grammatical sentences later. Let's get started. Common Chinese grammar patterns for ma, ne, ba. So maybe you might have explored when you first heard about question words, words that convert sentences into question when you're placed at the end of a sentence. For example, ma is for yes or no question. 你会说中文吗？你会说中文吗？你会说中文吗 means can you speak Chinese? Ne is for shifting the conversation to other topics or other person. 今天有点忙，你呢？今天有点忙，你呢？今天有点忙，你呢 means little busy today. You? Ba is for making suggestion or requests. 我们出去吃饭吧。我们出去吃饭吧。我们出去吃饭吧 means let's go eat. Common Chinese grammar patterns for 会 and 能. 会 and 能 both means can. For example, 会 is for learning knowledge or the future. 他会说中文。他会说中文。他会说中文 means he can speak Chinese. 会 is also often used to indicate a future action, like will in English. 你会去吗？你会去吗？你会去吗 means will you go? 能 is for physical ability and for indicated promotion. 你能帮我一个忙吗？你能帮我一个忙吗？你能帮我一个忙吗 means can you do me a favor? Unlike 会，能 can also means be allowed to or do. 在室内不能抽烟。在室内不能抽烟。在室内不能抽烟 means do not smoking indoors. Common Chinese grammar structure for the even sounds the same. How can words be so similar, but the meaning is different? For example, possessive words my, you, or they, her, his don't translate into the one word in Chinese. 我的书。我的书。我的书 means my book. When the is used between an attribute and a noun, it skips the noun and the attribute. 努力的学生。努力的学生。努力的学生 means hard-working student. The particle the is used after a verb and indicate affect degree possibility. 飞得快。飞得快。飞得快 means to fly quickly. The particle the is mainly used as a verb, like li in English. It's using between an adjective and a verb. 慢慢地走。慢慢地走。慢慢地走 means to walk slowly. They can also be used to modify an adjective. 特别的珍贵。特别的珍贵。特别的珍贵 means particularly precious. 想 and 觉得 both means to think or feel. So what is the difference? For example, use 想 when you feel like doing something. 我想吃东西。我想吃东西。我想吃东西 means I want to eat something. Using 觉得 when you are expressing your opinion about something. 我觉得很好吃。我觉得很好吃。我觉得很好吃 means I think it tastes good. If you like this type of video, I will explain more about basic Mandarin Chinese grammar. Or you have problem grammar, please let me know in the comments. If you find our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss out our learning tips.